machine. So I already opened this, but I'm going to start building. Then we go open it up. And it comes with some instructions. It comes with some stickers. It also comes with some figurines. And then there's lots of pieces. As you can see, I builded it. Let me show you what I added. I added 2 chairs with some music notes. Here I added a drum. Here is a ukulele. This is the ink. It's bacon ink, which you can drink. Here is the piano. This is the projector. And here is the screen for the projector. This is Sammy Lawrence. This is the ink monster. And this is Alice Angel.